being initiated against the
Who is the, my lord, now,
accused person
now, my lord,
by the education department.
that is what I'm coming to that. Now, your lordship will kindly see page number 40. The avalanche which will come forward, my lord, page number 40, annexed to P2, my lord.
Other
staff persons
made similar complaint.
They have jointly made this complaint, saying that this is something
And
systematic.
when the case started?
My lord, case was started, my lord, on the 17th of June, 18th of June 2026. I will not go into, my lord, other aspects, but I'm being, though it is written in my petition, I will not go into the other aspects of interpolation, etc. I'm not going to all that, my lord. Now, my lord, will kindly sees, my lord, this was the other aspects. Now, I have annexed the bail order, my lord. Page 44 is what, my lord, in some way, my lord, I am a bit, my lord, disturbed with this, where your lordship will kindly sees paragraph number 3.
Just a minute.
Learned APP raised no objection against the bail prayer of the accused person, submit that the accused has complied with 35. But this cannot be, by respect for submission, my lord. Case diary was never considered, my lord, and this stand of the state, my lord, before.
Now, who is investigating this case?
Now, my lord, the same police station, my lord, your lordship, as far as I can tell, my lord, from the records, my lord, a male sub-inspector of police, my lord. Yes, my lord, that is from the records what appears, my lord, from the FIR. Now, my lord, I am beseeching that.
Let a female investigating officer be appointed.
From the same
and this investigation will be conducted under the supervision of superintendent of police. And submit a report before this court.
But this would be a commissionerate, so that is why Chandanagar Police Commissioner. So that is why, not SP. That is why.
Subject to correction.
Commissioner Chandanagar Police Commissioner.
That is, I am not standing in the way. I am not at all treating it as an adversarial litigation. Just one fact, lordship. This is being investigated by Lady Sub Inspector Dola Mukherjee.
Mr. Das, think about the position in school, in government-aided school. Headmaster is the ex-officio secretary of the managing committee. Now, it is very difficult to raise finger. Point finger towards headmaster by assistant teachers or non-teaching staff, because he is the secretary of the. Even then, this petitioner has come forward and raised. At what stage this can be done?
Lordship, I am not for a moment treating it as an adversarial litigation. I'm reiterating my stance.
No, I am also expressing my mind. Otherwise, I do not entertain this prayer. Normally, I do not entertain this prayer. I relegate the commissioner jurisdiction.
No, Lordship. The commissioner of Chandanagar Police Commissionerate, he will supervise the investigation. What has fallen from your lordship that a lady investigating officer ought to be appointed. A lady investigating officer is herself investigating it. Her name is Miss Dola Mukherjee, Lady Sub Inspector of Police. This is a communication, lordship.
Yes.
Just that my other staff members 164, all that is not been done till now. So that all that factors. That will
process of investigation
under section 180.
183 insofar as the other staff members are
183.
164 statement. That this will be the most crucial thing, my lord, right now. Other victims who are there, these persons who have come forward, my lord.
Kindly.
Your statement has been recorded under 183.
Yes,
more than 20 witnesses have been examined. Yes, that is part of my communication.
But they can 183 হয়েছে কিনা এটা না আমাকে যেটা ওরা না এরা যখন গেছিল এই 2-4টা মামলা আছে বলে
Yes, lady sub-inspector is investigating.
That is, as a matter of fact, my fines mentioned in the writ petition also, page 35, my lord, part of the FIR, page 35. আমি জানি পুরো
নে নে
দিয়েছে
ডিএনএ স্যাম্পল তো দোকান থেকে বেরোবো এসো It is submitted on by the learned advocate representing the petitioner that complaint was lodged on 18 June 2026 alleging sexual assault and outraging modesty. Alleging sexual assault and outraging modesty against headmaster of a government aided school where petitioner is working as an assistant teacher. Stop. It is submitted that after such complaint dated 18 June 2026, other
Our
female,
just to clarify, our complaint is that our case is that we submitted the complaint on 16th. That is why I did not want to go into the interpolation part. First 16th I submitted the complaint. 17th the others came forward and submitted the complaint. Police on 18th acted it because I did not want to enter into that portion, my lord, of that part because I don't want any, my lord, any, my lord, dispute or aspersions against, my lord, any police official right now who are investigating my case.
so it was registered on 18 June.
18th June, but I had lodged the complaint on 16th June.
But come to page 39 of
That is why, my lord, that is the, I had taken the point of interpolation. Lordship kindly sees it is.
overwriting is there.
Yes, that is why. I did not want to go in because, my lord, again, my lord, Lordship can understand.
Send us a poll. Now, complaint was lodged 16 June 2026.
রেড ইন্সপেক্টরই করতে হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ কমিশনার না কমিশনার
কমিশনার চন্দ্রনগর পুলিশ কমিশনার
Now, it is also submitted
কমিশনার
that based on such complaint dated 16 June 2026, a criminal an FIR was registered being Chandannagar Police Station case number 99/2026 dated 18 June 2026 under section 126/2/115/74/75/351/2 BNS 2023. It is submitted. It is also alleged that the date which is stated at the end of complaint dated 18 June 2026 was interpolated and it was indicated as if complaint was lodged on 18 June 2026. Stop. It is also submitted that after the complaint was lodged by the petitioner, other female staff of the school in question filed another complaint dated 17 June 2026 against headmaster of the school in question. Stop. Prayer is made for conducting investigation by instructing one female police official being an investigating officer, and if necessary a seat special investigation team within bracket seat may be constituted to supervise the investigation. Next paragraph. Mr. Bhattacharjee, learned additional advocate general representing state respondents, has filed a communication dated 5th August 2026
Denying the allegation of interpolation also, my lord.
of Inspector in charge Chandanagar Police Commissionerate, and same is taken on record. Copy of the said communication dated 5th August 2026 is made over to the learned advocate representing the petition. Stop. Next paragraph. At the outset, it is submitted on behalf of police authorities that allegation regarding interpolation of date of complaint as made by the petitioner is not correct. Rather, petitioner submitted submitted complaint on 18 June 2026.
Yes, and it has been instantly registered. It has been instantly registered.
Stop. Be the next
By interpolating, there
Be
cannot
that
be any
as it may.
prejudice.
Be that as it may, it appears that allegations against the headmaster of an educational institution is serious in nature, requiring investigation by appointing a female police official. Stop. However, from the communication dated 5th August 2026, Inspector in charge Chandanagar Police Station, it appears that one lady sub-inspector, namely Dola Mukherjee,
Yes.
is the investigating officer who is the investigating officer in aforesaid criminal prosecution.
FIR also discloses such.
Yes.
The FIR also discloses such
Yes,
that it was
yes.
assigned to a lady sub LSI, my lord, lady
Stop.
sub-inspector.
Stop. However, stop. However, stop. Since a lady sub-inspector is investigating the case, concern which is expressed in this regard appears to have been concern which is expressed on behalf of the petitioner in this regard appears to have been redressed. However, stop. However, stop. Taking note of the gravity of allegation, court directs Commissioner Chandanagar Police Commissionerate to supervise
My lord,
the
instead of
investigation.
instead of the commissioner, my lord, the prayer is, my lord, by a deputy commissioner or assistant commissioner.
That
So,
is
my lord,
what
let that be
investigation-
supervised
That is
by
the
no. That will in fact, my lord, be beneficial to the
Very well.
investigation also.
I leave it, my lord, to the
By an
additional
officer not below the rank of my lord and assistant
Where is
commissioner.
such prayer?
My lord, page number 27.
27.
I had prayed, my lord, that the investigation may be
Better,
conducted by
better.
SIT, my lord, headed by an assistant commissioner rank
Yes.
police
Let
woman.
that be supervised, my lord, by an officer not below the rank of an
If
assistant
court
commissioner.
directs the commissioner of Chandanagar,
No, that will be definitely. But this will
You
actually.
can mold the prayer.
That is.
Otherwise, let me direct to form an SIT, Mr. Bhattacharjee.
My lord, here, my lord, the case is, my lord, time.
Commissioner Chandanagar Police Commissionerate being respondent number
The CP is,
three.
my lord, 3.
3 to supervise the investigation and submit a report after 3 weeks disclosing progress made in the investigation. Stop. Effort shall be made to take statement of other persons acquainted with the facts facts apart from the petitioner under section 183 BNSS 2023. If those persons are willing to make such statement. Stop. List the matter under the heading new motion 1 on 15th September 2026.
But may I file the report, my lord, in a sealed cover? Since, my lord, it's an ongoing investigation. I kindly transfer
A
that.
report may be filed in sealed copy.
Great.
সেন্টেন্সটা পড়ো আমি বলে দিচ্ছি why a disciplinary proceeding is not being conducted
Against?
against the accused
No ICC.
by the education since you are appearing
I'm for the police, my lord.
Here the additional advocate general, Mr. Bhattacharya Dhara. Why disciplinary proceeding is not conducted by
But
the West Bengal Board of Secondary Education?
এটা কোথায় গেল?
Because both the proceedings can run simultaneously.
Yes, it can. It can, my lord, but here, my lord,
Whether the accused person has been suspended.
the only respondents are, my lord,
I'm
the
asking
police.
you, Mr. Bhattacharya,
I cannot
whether
say.
accused person has been
I
suspended.
cannot.
How long he was in custody, Mr. Mukherjee?
He was not in custody.
No, these are
He
all
was just surrendered and obtained bail.
maximum is 7 years.
And have you seen the submission made on behalf of the state before the court below at the time of moving bail application?
No objection.
Please.
No objection.
No, all are below 7 years.
No, so what?
So 35(3), my lord, the inbuilt protection is there.
Learned APP raised no objection against the bill.
Yes, because 35(3) is the inbuilt safeguard.
But then case diary has to be considered irrespective. Irrespective.
Yes, but 35(3) there is an inbuilt, unless and until, my lord,
Be arrested.
he violates 335(3)
Assistant
notices.
teacher is raising is making complaint
Yes.
against the headmaster who is ex-officer secretary of the managing committee. And subsequently, female staff of the school also lodged complaint.
The school authorities need to initiate action under the internal complaints committee. That can run.
This is an educational institution.
Yes, absolutely. Absolutely. My lord, may I just indicate why I was suggesting, my lord, instead of the commissioner, deputy commissioner, regular monitoring becomes easier. I understand Mr. Mukherjee will not be also opposing that, my lord, what I am submitting.
My case is in the
Mr.
fate.
Mukherjee,
I cannot, my lord, neither propose nor oppose, my lord. My case is in the fate of your lordship's, my lord, decision.
No,
Now, my lord,
that is a practical part. That was a practical submission, my lord.
So I leave it, my
no,
lord.
change.
Because
If this is the stand of
yes,
the
because periodic, every day, day to day,
whether the deputy commissioner is made party. No.
my lord directs, my lord, any officer not below the rank of a deputy commissioner. Directs the commissioner.
বড় যেখানে ওই কমিশনারেরটা
Better হবে। রেগুলার বেসিসে করতে পারি তো কমিশনার হলে এত কাজ এখন করতে পারে
court directs any officer not below the rank of deputy commissioner
গ্রেটফুল বাট
working under functioning under Chandanagar Police
Police
Commissionerate shall monitor the investigation and submit a report in sealed cover by 3 weeks বললাম না by 3 weeks.
My lord, subject to correction, let Mr. Bhattacharya, my lord,
Yes.
take instruction. There is no deputy commissioner, my lord, in the Chandanagar. There is a joint commissioner.
not below the rank of deputy commissioner also.
But joint commissioner.
It can be a joint commissioner, not below the
So,
rank.
because there is only one joint commissioner who is there.
If it is not below
there
the
is
rank,
no-
it can be above the rank.
Because
joint commissioner
the joint commissioner is
joint commissioner একটা নিচে করে দাও at the end leave is granted to the learned advocate representing the petitioner to amend the cost title and add joint commissioner Chandanagar Police Commissionerate as additional respondent in course of this day. However, service of notice upon the additional respondent is dispensed with since state respondents are represented by Mr. Bhattacharya, learned additional advocate general. Deputy, list the matter under the 17-15 September বলেছে তো? Deputy. হ্যাঁ? হ্যাঁ, ওটা থাকবে। For recording statement under section 183.
My lord, my instructions are, my lord, there are, my lord, deputy commissioners. It has to be there.
Let it be a joint commissioner below the rank of the commissioner as you are submitting.
Yes, grateful to you.